Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can make a new Instacart Shopper account. In order to do so, here we are on Android and we're in the Play Store. And I have found Instacart here and installed it. You can follow the same process. And once we have completed that, we can go ahead and open it up. And we'll just go through the steps here in order to get ourselves set up here with Instacart. So you could see that first off, we're being requested to sign in. Here we also have an option to sign in with Google if we want. We'll go ahead and click sign up there. And then here we're going to go ahead and continue with Google. And you can do this however you wish. If you want to just use your email or Facebook, you can do that as well. But this is just going to be the easiest way to get through this. So, and from here, we can see that we're being asked to invite our family. We'll just go ahead and skip that. And we can see here which stores are available. So we can go ahead and do that as well. Just a moment here. I'm going to go ahead and just do this here really quick and then we'll be right back. Okay, so you can see now here we're being requested to choose a store. So we're going to want to go ahead and choose whatever is most convenient or whatever store is the one that you'd be the most interested in for whatever reason. So in our case, I'll go ahead and choose something here and we'll just go through the steps. And now we have an option here to get $0 delivery fees for 2 weeks. We can try that for free if we wish. I'm going to go ahead and just say no for now. Okay. And it looks like we are now all set up. So that's the basic process that you will go through in order to set yourself up as an Instacart shopper. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.